What's going on, guys? Derek here, Southern Side Lawn Care. Today we're putting the Cheetah under the knife. We've only got about, let's see, 54 hours on here, but we were noticing a massive rattle coming from this area when you would put it under load. So, I was of course thinking that it was a little bit of slack in this pulley, which is not the issue. It spins freely, but it turns out it's this bearing. Whenever you spin it, really can't show you on camera, but there's like you can hear it. So runs fine until you put it under a load. I actually put a cover on here to keep the spring from rubbing the deck. I don't know why they put that spring so low to the deck, but so we're going to replace this. It goes right here. We're going to replace these two bearings. I prefer to do it myself because it will be in the shop for at least a week before they could get to it. So all you have to do is press it out. What we're going to do is put a 1-inch socket on here, press it out, and put the new ones in. Just whenever you change it, make sure that this on the bottom is a little bit recessed and the top is flush. And then these are the parts. I mean, it's literally just one bolt, and you got your arm that goes in there and your nut and your washer. But other than that, it's a pretty simple fix, guys. Apparently this is a big issue with Scags. I mean, shouldn't have a bad bearing within, it actually started happening within like 15 hours. But I have a buddy that bought the same mower same year from the same place and had the same issues. So we're gonna get this fixed, guys, and just figured I'd keep y'all updated on what we've got going on. We've got our second mow truck out today. My truck, I've got the 36 and the 61 for today. They've got the Ferris and the Deer. But like I said, I'll do an update video to let you know how it worked out. But that is how you change the idler pulley bearings. You just buy two. There's one on top and bottom. You simply press them out, put your 1-inch socket on there, punch them out, press the new ones back in with a vise, put it back on, put your belts, hook your spring up, and you're good to go. So no need to take it to a shop let them have it for a week and a half and be down when I can get this done in probably less than 35 minutes. So like, subscribe, comment, and if you're having a deck rattling issue on a Velocity 61 or any Velocity, that is most likely the culprit, is a bad bearing in here. So appreciate it.